Good afternoon, this is Charles Lowrider Channel. I'm back at you with my Datsun pickup truck. I took them side ugly pieces off and I redid it. Made it all flat. Now I just got to prime it up. Took out that creases in there. And look all smooth. Next I gotta take this Datsun off. I know that's kind of blue, sunny out here. Take that Datsun off of there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. And fill all that in, like the sides. It can all be one smooth side, just like the Nissan trucks. And then if I'm debating if I want to cut the back, make the back flip back. This is my first time ever doing something like that, so I hope it come out right. It's a glare. There we go. It's work. I used to work with a guy at work, had a black one, top cut off. I used to love his little truck. You know, everybody wanted them Nissans back in the days. They're coming back around. This is part 2. I'll be back when I take my next one.